Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute since I posted anything on YouTube, but I just needed time to myself, and I feel like now it's the right time for me to come back and start posting videos again. I look a little cray-cray because if you're not black, we wrap our hair when we lay it. I just slicked back my hair into a bun and I laid down my baby hair, so it's essential to put a scarf on when you do that because that will hold your baby hairs down. You can thank me later. I also have a face mask on because I feel like my skin has been needing a little bit of TLC lately. I'm gonna show you guys what mask I have on. So this is the mask that I have on my face right now. It's from LA Hendrix. It's the cold plunge pore mask. It is amazing. I love it so much. And I'm also wanting to try this. Now, I'm not as educated in skincare as I'd like to be, but I'm not sure if you're supposed to use an exfoliating mask right after using a what is the other one called? It's a clay mask. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to use an exfoliating mask after a clay mask, but I'm just gonna do it anyways because I just want to see what this product is all about. I just received it from LA Hendrix and I'm really intrigued, so I'm gonna apply it right after I take this one off. I have been using a lot of LA Hendrix, and you guys, their products are actually incredible. So I have been using the toners. I have been using this one in the daytime and then that one at night. I've also been using their Truth Serum, which is this one over here. I've also been using, yeah, that's it, and their face wash as well. I've also been loving the sunscreen. It's amazing, especially if you have a deeper or darker skin tone. This will not give you a white cast. It absorbs into the skin, and I love it so much. I've also been loving the Summer Fridays, what is it called? The jet lag mask. It is incredible. I went on a little skincare update there. I hope you guys don't mind, but I have been really loving LA Hendrix for my skin lately, and Origins. I really love Origins. Anyways, I'm gonna rinse this off, take this off, apply the other mask, and then update you guys on what I think. So you're supposed to apply it on dry, clean skin and then kind of rub it in because it's pink and it's supposed to lather up in white, and then you leave it on for 15 minutes. And then you rinse it, and then when you rinse it or wipe it with a wet towel, and then you just continue to do the rest of your skincare. So I'm just gonna do that and then show you guys the result. I think, even though I know with products like this, it's over time that you see results, so they recommend you use it twice a week, and you can use it daytime or nighttime. And I'm gonna wear my sunscreen anyways because it's daytime right now. So I'm watching Anna Condor's Vogue skincare video, or get ready with me videos. I really love those videos, and it kind of inspired me to do my skincare as well. I don't know if you guys are the same, but I'm always inspired when I see people online trying different things, and I'm this is a good thing because it's reminding me to show my skin some love.
I know some people roll their face as their first step. I'm gonna roll it just ever so slightly. This is an ice roller under my chin.
So I actually wanted to go grocery shopping. That's why I'm all dressed up. I'm wearing this sweater that my best friend got me for Christmas, and I'm obsessed with it. I wear it every single day. That's how much I love it. Just keeping it cozy and chill, just because I'm not planning to go out, not until later tonight. And today is just all about taking some time to myself, running errands, mood boarding, creating, all of that stuff, all the fun, chill, relaxed stuff. Even though I'm trying to have every day be a good day, I'm working on improving myself day by day, and part of that is just trying to have purpose and try to have ways to improve yourself. I'm also wearing my aligners that I got from One to Smile. I got a few DMs asking me for an update, so I'm gonna film an update on it just because I think it's important for you guys to know where I'm at. I'm still not finished, and there's an explanation for why, but I have been seeing amazing results. amazing results. So if you're thinking about it, I definitely recommend it, but I will film or maybe include it in like one of my vlogs. I just received this package from NRTC, and this is so crazy. I was literally about to go grocery shopping and I just got this delivered. Like, isn't this the craziest thing? And they sent me a package for Valentine's Day, and they included like fresh produce and like all the veggies and the fruits that I can use to like make meals. Like, if you see down here, there's like apples and garlic, and then there's some I think that's mint. There's strawberries here, and then the card says, "You are very special to us." And there's like a cute little red rose. Like, this is so exciting, and it was so unexpected. And the fact that it arrives when I was literally about to go grocery shopping is just like the universe being like, hey, here's some food. Wow, this is incredible. Oh my god, this is so great. Shorty a little Betty, shorty my little boo thing. I'm trying a new recipe, and I just made this veggie wrap. Oh my god, it's actually vegan. So it's avocados, hummus, lemon, and then arugula, no, rocket, tomatoes, cucumber, and then like seasoning, a lot of seasoning. And you just, you know, put it all on a tortilla, and then you just wrap it, and voila. And I have like a little bit left over here that I'm gonna use for another serving. This is amazing. Like, I love this so much. Oh my god, this is amazing. This is incredible. I'm gonna put the recipe in the description box. Wow. It's been a minute since I vlogged, and this is all like slowly coming back to me, but I really had a great day today. It was super chill. Today I washed my hair and I used the LOC method, which is liquid oil and then cream to like lock in the moisture, and I really love the results. I'm going to show you the products that I use. They're from Lush. Lush just came out with a range of products by a natural hair specialist, and the hair range is for African women with like African hair. And I love that so much because like no brand, like international brand, has ever done that, where they dedicated products for natural hair women by a natural hair specialist. I'm going to share with you guys the products just now, but like, look at this definition. I am definitely loving it. Like, my hair just feels like a little sticky, and I don't know if that's just like day one hair, or maybe I used a lot of product, but I'm experimenting. I'll update you guys on how I like it in the long term, but for now let me show you the products, because I'm just like so proud of the fact that I tried a new method of styling my hair and some new products. I can just put the biggest smile on my face. So I'm going to start with the cleanser, which is this one. It's a co-wash, and it's like a bar. Basically rub it between your hands until it lathers up, and then you use that lather to basically cleanse your scalp and your roots, and it smells amazing and it doesn't strip moisture, which is so important for me. So I really loved using this. For conditioner, I used Glory. It's this one, and oh my god, it smells so good. By the way, all these products literally will make your hair smell like you just walked into a Lush store, which is like incredible. But this is the conditioner that I used and it was awesome, very moisturizing. So I started with the super milk and it has like a liquidy consistency and it's like in a spray bottle, as you guys can see. So you spray it into your hair, and then I followed up with the Renee Shea souffle, and it's oil, but it's so buttery. It's like literally butter, so you have to melt it into your hand and then apply it into the hair. I'm not sure if you can heat this up so it's like more like an oil, or you should use it as it is, but I used it as it is. Correct me if I did that wrong. And then lastly, you lock it in with the cream, and this is the curl power. I love how everything smells and I love the products. The only thing, like I said, is that I feel like my hair is a bit sticky. Other than that, I'm loving the definition and the hydration. So like I said, I'll give it a day and see if the stickiness will kind of like dissolve, or if it's like a thing with this product, because I like my curls to be like soft. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I'm just gonna edit and hang out by myself for the rest of the evening, but I will vlog and talk to you guys tomorrow. I just made myself a matcha latte and I'm so excited to see what this is going to taste like. I usually get my matcha latte from Starbucks, but today I was like, I'm gonna make it. So I'm really excited to see how this is gonna go.
Okay, so we both got the shot. Super cute. We ended up shooting at the same location, so it was really cute. That's like a bunch of really annoying adult stuff that I have to do. So that's the vibe check today. Thank you. Good morning.
It's a little bit bitter though, just a little bit. So I've been on my bed just chilling on my laptop and like texting and stuff, and it feels so good just to like take some time, drink some matcha and just like relax. Yeah, feels really, really good. I'm wearing these pants and they're so comfortable. They're from, I forgot where they're from, but I'm gonna link them if I can remember. But they're just so comfortable. I just found them in my closet today and I was just like, see, this is exactly why I need to go through my closet, because there's so much shit that I don't even remember that I have. And I've been shopping a little bit, so I kind of like want to make space for my new stuff. I'm supposed to receive a package today. I ordered a few things from Mango. I'm so excited. It's Sunday morning and I'm headed to the gym. By the way, I love this outfit that I got from the Giving Movement. Let me take my mask off. So I got it from the Giving Movement, and basically their pieces are recycled from like plastic, and like they use sustainable materials to make their clothing, which is incredible and so good for the environment. So they sent me this hoodie, which is like so nice and cozy, and then this set. The top is in small, and as you guys can see, it's so nice and cozy, and then the shorts are in medium. So I got the short shorts, but they have longer shorts that go up to here, and then they also have leggings. I'm gonna go get my workout in because I have a very, very busy day today. I'm gonna go get my workout in, and then I'm gonna check with you guys and catch up on what we got going on today. So I just showered and finished getting ready. I wanted to update you guys on my hair situation because I remember telling you guys that I tried a new products and like a new methods, and I am loving it. I feel like the volume is back, my hair is not as sticky, it's so hydrated, which is like something that I'm like loving right now. The definition and the volume are definitely there, so I like it. I really, really like it. It took like a day or two for me to like the texture, and like because it feels so hydrated, and I really usually don't, and I'm not used to it. Usually when I apply my products, like I don't apply them as generously, or maybe because I use like one styling product and then I apply gel. And I also didn't apply gel when I did this method, so I'm gonna look into trying gel the next time I wash my hair, like trying the method and then locking it all in with gel, see if that makes any difference with the definition. But yeah, just a quick update. Anyways, I am gonna go work from a coffee shop. You guys know the drill. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm mainly gonna focus on organizing a lot of admin work, emails, putting together calendars, all of that stuff. So come with me and let's go and chill and hang out and get some work done. This is the fit for the day. It's from Bershka, and then my shoes are from Nike, but these sweats are so adorable. Ben, how's your day going? So as I was coming upstairs, this mom and her daughter got in the elevator with me, and her daughter had like these beautiful blonde and brown curls. So cute. So I looked at the mom and I was like, yo, you're doing a great job. Her hair looks amazing. And the mom was like, it takes a lot of time and effort, I'm sure you know. And I was like, yeah, but shout out to you, because when I was young, my mom wouldn't let me wear my hair out like that. And the fact that you are just makes me so happy. The fact that a lot of moms are now like learning about natural hair, even if their hair is not curly, if they have daughters with natural hair, like curly hair, I mean, they encourage them to wear it curly, and they'll like style it for them. And I find that to be so beautiful, because I'm sure if my mom when I was younger knew how to like take care of like curly hair, she would have. But like the culture she grew up in Somalia, they would braid hair or they would like slick it back or whatever the case may be. So that's what she grew up with, and I love the fact that little girls or like even teenagers are now growing up with the idea and like the understanding that you can wear your hair natural and it is beautiful, and there's so many tools and resources that help you take care of your natural hair. So I just wanted to throw this out there. I will see you guys in my next vlog, whenever that's going to be. Is it gonna be next week? Is it gonna be in 2 years? We don't know. Stay tuned.